girl Larry B. In today's video, we're gonna be working with Ronnie hair. Now, y'all, I recorded this video like you can say about 1 or 2 weeks ago. And y'all, so as I'm going to edit the video and whatnot, the clip of me installing the hair was deleted. The only clip that was not deleted was me coloring the hair, y'all. That's why in the beginning the hair already looked like it was already worn, because it was. And if you have me on Instagram, you already know, like, you've been saw me with this hair installed. Y'all, I was so mad because this never happened to me before. I was so mad. I'm like, now I'm gonna throw myself off schedule because I have to go back and install a wig that I already installed. But good thing working with this hair was easy. As you guys can see, it was barely any tangled or anything. Meanwhile, I took this hair right out the box and I installed it. Like, I barely had to brush through it or anything. The hair was still calm. This is Ronnie hair. Like I said, I got this hair as 613 platinum hair and I colored it emerald. It was supposed to be like a not money green, but it was supposed to be like a dark green that I did like years ago. But I guess when I used to use emerald, I used to use it on honey blonde hair, never 613 hair. So it gave me what color it's supposed to give me. But back then it used to give me like that dark green, so I was always using emerald. Yeah, so now I know I have to look for a darker green to get that green I want. But this color still turned out nice. Like I said, this is Ronnie hair. I'm not sure if the clip is in there is the clip in there? I'm not sure, because I even recorded me straightening the hair. I even cut the hair. I cut it to about, you can say this is about what? I don't know, 16. Like, you can say this is about 16 on me. I believe this hair was 18. I cut it like 2 inches off. But yeah, overall, y'all, this hair is good. And I went ahead and I laid the lace with Got to Be Freezing Blast just to show you guys, if you don't know how to use the glue, you can always go ahead and use these two right here to lay your edges, y'all. Lay your edges and melt your lace. You can always use these two, but this is more of a temporary thing. It's not going to last long at all. I feel like this way is for people who don't want to sleep with their wig, who want a wig for a day, who want a quick style. Using Got to Be is for that. But if you know you want a long lasting install where you don't have to like keep re-gluing, keep reinstalling, you can go ahead and use any type of glue you want. But if you don't, you want a temporary hold, use Got to Be. You guys, I almost forgot to say, this is a T-part lace wig. This is the first T-part lace wig I can honestly say I was satisfied with. You guys know, anytime I get a T-part lace, I kind of complain in the video. But this was the first time, y'all, I have nothing to complain about. Like, this T-part lace wig did its thing. Another thing I like about this wig, the parting is so deep. Like, this is 6 inches, y'all. I love a deep part. I couldn't believe it's a T-part lace wig after I installed it. I'm like, wow. This is the first time I installed a T-part lace wig and it actually looks like a closure. Like, it looks good. And I didn't glue the whole thing. I only glued like the middle, because I feel like there's honestly no point in gluing the whole thing. But yeah, y'all, this is Ronnie hair. I'm in love with this blue. I'm gonna go ahead and take my pictures and all that good stuff. If you guys are interested on how I got this look, in the camera the lace is not really looking melted. Is it looking melted? Maybe I'm bugging. Maybe it's the way I just need a new camera, y'all. I had this camera for like 5 years. It's time for an upgrade. It's time for new quality. But yeah, I feel like I like this hair the second time. The first time I was kind of like but now that I reinstalled it, I like it even more now, which is weird. But yeah, so enough talking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested on how I got this look and color, continue watching. Like I said, all the hair details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and check out Ronnie hair, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.